everyone. What we're gonna learn today in MS Planet Book and Creation? We're gonna learn how to make a cover to sell in Amazon KDP. Así que let's go. Here I give you a little sample of the two things that we're gonna need. That we're gonna have the picture and also the template that we're gonna get from Amazon KDP. Así que let's go. Here we're gonna go to Amazon KDP calculator cover. You can also Google right here, Amazon KDP cover calculator. They're gonna go straight to that page. And here we're gonna put exactly the information in the book. It's a hardcover, premium color, white paper, left and right. What is the inches? 7 by 10 or 8.5 by 11. And how many pages? Depending on the pages, they're also gonna be different templates. They're gonna show you this. They're gonna say calculate the dimension. When they give you that, you download it. They're gonna be in your downloaded folder in your computer. It's right here. They're gonna give you two formats, PDF and PNG, but today we're gonna use PNG. It's right here. You see this stuff right here? That number you need to save it because that's the ones that we're gonna use in Canva to create the design. The 15.970 by 11.417. Remember that numbers. Next step, we're gonna create the design in Canva. Make sure you use Canva Pro. I know they cost a little bit more, but it's amazing. They have a lot of tools that you're gonna use for your social media, for your business, a lot of stuff. Make sure you use the number I told you to remember, the width, the height, if we're using inches. After we have all the number, we're gonna press create new design. After we have everything there, you need to make sure this step because you need to stay organized. You need to put the name of the file because if not, sometimes you have 200 design Canva and you cannot find it. Así que we're gonna put sample cover video because I'm showing you this is like a sample. I upload two different files. Remember, we have one from Amazon KDP and we're gonna use the PNG. After it's downloaded, you're gonna put it in the corner and you need to make sure you expand it by the corner. So you expand it, you need to go to get the other picture that we're gonna put on top of that. Another tip, if you're using an Illustrator or you want to do the picture, make sure you go to the Amazon KDP calculator first so you can have the correct template so you can use it. Remember, we help you to create this kind of stuff in the online classes. But if you don't want to do it, we also have that service in MS Planet Book and Creation. We can do the book for you to be ready to download it in Amazon KDP. So again, now after we have the picture, we put it in the corner and we expand it. After we expand, we use a transparency tool so we make sure that we have the picture in the correct area that we want to put it in the book. Remember, after you have the picture, you can add the title after. You can change the color. You can do some edit because Canva is amazing. You can do a lot of stuff in this website. After you have everything in the correct spot, you see I move it a little bit. I expand it over from the corner. I say, I think this way is perfect. Now, you see in this part here, can we use the transparency? If we have the pink section, make sure that you don't put any letters in that area. Now I'm checking the last thing, make sure that, the picture is not taking out anything important. So I think here is the correct spot for me. The transparency, we put it down again to make sure we see the pink section. Yeah, I think everything is perfect. Remember, we cannot do anything in the pink section, mean in letter or information in that part. In the barcode area, you can also don't do or put any letters or resume in the book because they need to have that space to put the barcode so they can do the inventory. They can use it in Amazon and Amazon warehouses. So again, now I'm checking here. You see I'm checking, make sure in the barcode they only have the picture. Later in another video, I'm going to show you guys how to do the resume in the back, how to do the title. So again, now if you want to know more about this service or you want to create the book or have the classes, go to my website. And remember, you got this. The only thing you need to do is organize.